everyone, my name is Elsa Dai. I'm a student from Pamulang University with a tax accounting study program. And today I'm going to talk about something that has become a very important part of my life. Before I begin, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever wondered why English is so important today? Why do we see English everywhere? In song, movie, social media, and even technology? Well, in this video, I'm going to share my personal journey with English. How I first learned it, the challenge I faced, how I practice every day, and how English has changed me into a more confident and open-minded person. The title of my talk is Me in English. I hope my story can inspire you to keep learning and never give up because English is just a school subject. It's a key that can open the door to a brighter future. English is more than just a school subject for me. It's a bridge that connects me to the world. To know, to knowledge, to culture, and even to opportunities that I never imagined before. My first encounter with English, let me start for the beginning. My first encounter with English was when I was in elementary school. At that time, I only knew a few simple words like hello, thank you, good morning. I still remember my English teacher teaching us to sing simple English songs like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or If You're Happy and You Know. I did really understand the meaning of the lyric, but enjoy singing them. That's when I realized learning English could be fun. However, as I grow older, English become more challenging. Grammar rules, tense, and vocabulary sometimes confuse me. There were moments when I felt frustrated because I could express what I want to say in English, but I did give up. I keep learning step by step. Why English is important to me? English is often called the international language. Almost everything around us today use English. Technology, music, movie, and even social media. For example, when I watch a YouTube video or movie for other countries, I realize how useful English. Without understand English, I would miss so many interesting things from the world. Also, English helped me with my education. Many school subjects, online courses, and even reference are written in English. When I read something in English, I feel like I'm opening a new window to the world. In the future, if I want to work abroad, study overseas or even communicate with people from other countries, English will English will be my key. That's why I think learning English is not only important, it's necessary. How I practice English every day. Learning a language takes practice, not just theory. So I try to include English in my daily life in small, simple ways. For example, I watch English movie or drama with subtitle. I listen to English song and try to understand their meanings. I follow English learning channel on YouTube. I try to read short diary or caption in English on social media, and sometimes I even talk to myself in English. I know it sounds funny, but it really helps when I practice speaking alone. I can build confidence and improve my pronunciation. The key is consistent. Even if I only spend 10 or 15 minutes a day, I believe it's better than nothing. Little by little, I can feel the improvement. My challenge in learning English, of course, learning English is not always easy. Sometimes I still have trouble understanding native speakers because they talk so fast. Sometimes I forget vocabulary words that I just learned. And yes, grammar can still be confusing. But I learned something important. Mistakes are part of the process. It's okay to make mistakes because every mistake teaches us something new. Now, instead of being afraid to speak English, I try to be brave. Even if my grammar is perfect, at least I'm communication. Hello everyone, my name is Elsa Dai. Even if my grammar is perfect, at least I'm communication. That was learning a language is all about communication. How English changed me. English has changed the way I see the world. It has made me more confident, more curious, and more open-minded. Throughout English, I learned about different countries, culture, and ways of thinking. It has taught me to appreciate diversity and respect other perspectives. Also, English gives me a sense of pride when I can understand or say something in English. I feel proud of myself. It's like I achieved something new. My hope and dream with English. In the future, I want to use English to achieve my dreams. Maybe I will travel abroad, continue my study, or have a career that allow me to communicate globally. I also want to inspire others to learn English just like I do, because I believe when you learn English, you're not only learning a language, you're learning to connect with the word motivation, so that my story about me and English to everyone was still learning English. Remember this: don't be afraid of making mistakes. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey. Because learning English is not about perfection, it's about progress. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.